Mastering Customs Clearance for Commercial Shipments, Essential Guide for Importers. Welcome back to our channel, dedicated to providing valuable insights into customs brokerage and international trade. In today's video, we will discuss the topic of customs clearance for commercial shipments. We will explore the key considerations, compliance measures, and best practices to ensure a streamlined customs clearance process for the import and export of commercial goods. Significance of commercial shipments in global trade. Commercial shipments form the backbone of international trade, facilitating the flow of goods across borders. The customs clearance process for commercial shipments involves multiple steps to ensure compliance with regulations, accurate documentation, and the efficient movement of goods. Let's delve into the key factors importers and exporters should consider when dealing with customs clearance for commercial shipments. Understanding customs regulations. Importers and exporters must familiarize themselves with the customs regulations governing the import or export of commercial goods. Regulations may vary depending on factors such as the nature of the goods, country of origin, destination, and specific trade agreements in place. Understanding these regulations is crucial for navigating the customs clearance process smoothly. Proper tariff classification is essential for determining the appropriate customs duties, tariffs, and taxes applicable to commercial goods. Importers must assign the correct Harmonized System (HS) code to their goods. Accurate tariff classification ensures compliance with customs regulations and facilitates the accurate calculation of duties to avoid delays or disputes during customs clearance. Documentation requirements. Commercial shipments require comprehensive and accurate documentation for customs clearance. Importers and exporters must provide essential documents, including commercial invoices, packing lists, certificates of origin, bill of lading, permits, licenses, and any other specific documentation required by customs authorities. Preparing accurate and complete documentation in advance facilitates smooth customs clearance procedures. Compliance with product regulations and standards is crucial for customs clearance. Importers and exporters must ensure that their commercial goods meet the required safety, quality, and labeling standards of the importing or exporting countries. This includes conformity to technical regulations, labeling requirements, and specific industry standards applicable to the goods being imported or exported. Safety and security measures. Ensuring the safety and security of commercial shipments is paramount during customs clearance. Importers and exporters must comply with safety and security measures to prevent the transportation of prohibited items, hazardous substances, or potential threats. Verification of packaging, cargo screening, and adherence to security protocols enhances the smooth flow of commercial goods through customs. Customs brokerage services. Engaging the services of experienced customs brokers specializing in commercial shipments is highly recommended. Customs brokers possess the necessary expertise and knowledge to navigate customs regulations, interpret tariff classifications, and ensure compliance with documentation requirements. Working with a customs broker streamlines the customs clearance process and helps avoid costly errors or delays. Integrated trade compliance solutions. Utilizing integrated trade compliance solutions can enhance the efficiency of customs clearance for commercial shipments. These solutions provide automation tools, centralized data management, and facilitate seamless communication with customs authorities. Implementing trade compliance software or management systems simplifies documentation processes, reduces manual errors, and ensures compliance with customs regulations. Trade agreements and preferential tariff treatments. Countries often have trade agreements in place, granting preferential tariff treatments to goods originating from specific countries. Importers and exporters should understand and utilize these trade agreements to optimize customs duties and reduce costs. By qualifying for preferential tariff treatment, commercial shipments can enjoy reduced or eliminated customs duties, providing a significant advantage in international trade. Good supply chain management practices. Effective supply chain management is vital for smooth customs clearance of commercial shipments. Importers and exporters should maintain clear visibility and traceability of their shipments, establish effective communication channels with suppliers and logistics providers, and implement inventory control systems. Efficient supply chain practices minimize delays and contribute to a seamless customs clearance process. Electronic Data Interchange, EDI. Leveraging electronic data interchange (EDI) systems facilitates efficient data exchange between importers, exporters, and customs authorities. EDI streamlines the submission of customs documentation, automates data entry, and minimizes manual errors. Utilizing an electronic platform for customs processes expedites customs clearance and ensures accurate and standardized data transmission. Compliance with inward and outward processing procedures. Inward and outward processing procedures can be beneficial for certain commercial goods. These procedures allow for temporary importation or exportation of goods for specific purposes such as repair, processing, or exhibition. Importers and exporters should explore these procedures to reduce customs duties or obtain relief from taxes when applicable. Continuous monitoring of regulatory changes. Regulatory requirements related to customs clearance may change or evolve over time. Importers and exporters must stay updated on these changes to ensure ongoing compliance. Monitoring regulatory updates, attending industry seminars or workshops, and engaging with customs authorities or trade associations provide valuable insights to adapt customs clearance processes accordingly. Collaboration with customs authorities. Collaboration and open communication with customs authorities are vital for successful customs clearance of commercial shipments. Maintaining positive relationships, seeking clarifications, and proactively addressing any customs-related inquiries or concerns foster efficient customs procedures. Effective collaboration ensures a smooth clearance process and enables timely resolution of any customs-related issues. Compliance with export controls and dual-use goods. Export controls and restrictions may apply to specific commercial goods, particularly those classified as dual-use items. Importers and exporters must comply with export control regulations, which include obtaining necessary licenses or permits and meeting reporting requirements. Awareness of export control regulations ensures compliance and avoids customs clearance delays or penalties. Confidentiality and intellectual property protection. Protecting intellectual property rights and maintaining the confidentiality of commercial trade secrets is crucial during customs clearance. Importers and exporters should implement measures to safeguard confidential data and trade secrets. Maintaining confidentiality prevents unauthorized disclosure of sensitive commercial information or potential infringement of intellectual property rights. Continuous process improvement is essential to enhance customs clearance efficiency for commercial shipments. Importers and exporters should regularly review their customs clearance procedures, identify bottlenecks, and seek opportunities for improvement. Continuous improvement initiatives contribute to smoother operations, reduced customs clearance time, and enhanced cost management. We hope you now have a comprehensive understanding of customs clearance for commercial shipments. By prioritizing compliance with regulations, ensuring accurate documentation, collaborating with customs brokers and authorities, and implementing effective supply chain practices, importers and exporters can streamline the customs clearance process and facilitate the import and export of commercial goods effectively. Thank you for watching this video. We appreciate your support. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for future videos, where we will continue to explore various topics related to customs brokerage, international trade, and strategies for navigating the complexities of the import-export industry.